Welcome to Softech Coding. This is the third episode of our Quick Tips series. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm continuously going to make videos. If you could please also share this video with your friends and family and smash that like button, I would really appreciate it. Alright, let's get started. So, today we're just going to be looking at another quick tip, which is found in the Extensions tab. So all you need to do is click here on Add Extension. And here we have loads of different extensions, and we can take a look at these later on. Some of these are for Lego Mindstorms robots, and some of them for other things. Right now we are going to be looking at text-to-speech, which is right here. It was actually made in collaboration with Amazon Web Services, which is pretty cool. So if you're ever in a project and instead of using the say block, you want to use the speak block, these are the blocks that you can use. Now there's these three blocks, and I'm going to pull out a speak block, say block to compare with the speak block. So there are a series of different voices, and if you click on this, you can change the voice and the different voices. You just have to make sure that you put these after each other, so that when you click on this one, it actually changes the voice before it talks. And this one called kitten just says meow no matter what you type. So even if you type not meow, don't say meow, it'll just say meow, 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 meow. Yeah, so it just says meow. So that's a cute voice for some projects, but you just have to type in the letter A for just as many times as you want it to say meow. But any word, really. These are the different voices that you can choose from. Now the say block comes with a text bubble, and the speak block comes with just a voice. So if you want to choose like a voice and you could say hello and speak hello at the same time, what we will see will happen is that it will say it and then it will speak it. So one thing you can do is just use this block, which will just say hello pretty much forever. So if you see it, oh, you have it put on green flag clicked. So I'm just going to pull out a one green flag clicked block. It'll do it at the same time, but this hello won't ever go away until you switch it to, let's say, put this after and make it say hello for 0.001 seconds. Then what will happen is this, and it will just go away after. So that's one way that you can make it actually say hello and speak hello at the same time. It'll just say hello again after, just for 0.001 seconds, just to make it go away after hello is said. And you can also switch languages. So for example, if you switch this to French, it'll say the word in the different accents. And you can say this, switch this to, for example, bonjour, which is hello in French. We can switch these both to bonjour, and it will say bonjour with the French accent. So there's loads of different languages you can use, loads of different voices, and you can just use this to add that extra touch to your projects so that your sprites actually talk to each other. You can give different voices to your different sprites, and actually what you can do is if you've used up all of these already, you can switch languages to give it a different accent for your different sprites. If you have tons of sprites in your project and you want it to be able to differentiate the voices, you can switch languages to give them accents in different languages so that it's easier to tell which character is which character. And there are loads of things you can do with this in different stories and stuff like that for your different projects. Thank you for watching. We have lots of other videos and many more are coming. Please share this video with your friends and family, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next episode.